What's up, guys?
Hi, guys.
William and
Veronica, real estate team.
We're doing our weekly recap where we're going to refresh you on what's happened this week in real estate, mortgages, anything that you have a question on that we don't cover. Feel free to give us a call, text, email, Facebook, whatever it is. Give us a call.
617-842-2088.
Nice.
Awesome. So we're going to start with the real estate market news for the week. And Governor Charlie Baker has moratorium on evictions and foreclosures in Massachusetts is ending this weekend.
Comes to an end.
Even if the coronavirus pandemic is far from being over. So it's not such great news for landlords. I mean, for tenants, but it's trying, and he's going to talk about some more news about.
Yeah, there is a plan in place. He just, Governor Charlie Baker, did also announce that he's going to put a plan of $171 million towards the relief or not the relief, but a plan in place to help people that need money for relocation, things like that, for families that are displaced. So, I mean, even though it's coming to an end, there is some hope for these people too as well. Right,
which is great. Mm-hmm. According to my move, 15.9 million people moved between February and July this year. It's a lot of people. 28% did so to avoid catching COVID-19, and 20% moved to be with family, and 18% cited financial reasons, including job loss. So a lot of people made a lot of moves this year due to what's going on with the coronavirus.
Yeah, they moved from the city. A lot of people moved from the city to the suburbs to stretch out, get their own little private yard. Hear that person gets a call. Cool. Right. So we're going to go right into interest rates. They are incredibly low right now. 30-year fixed right now. Conventional is 3.02. FHA interest rates fixed 30 years is about 2.99. Wow.
Incredible.
And we're going to dive into Melrose this week.
Right. So we're going to talk about, we like to talk about a different town every week. I think he covered Saugus last week. So we're going to be talking about Melrose. Between single, multi, and condos, total homes available for sale in Melrose right now is 44. Total new listings, so properties that have hit the market in the last couple days, it's 17.
It's a good amount.
It's a good amount. And if you're keeping up with real estate, homes are usually most likely going to be gone within the first week or 2 weeks. So it's a good amount of inventory, 17 just this week. Total contingent and under agreement homes, 75. That's just like homes they're due to close in the next few weeks. And total homes back on the market, 1. That's it.
That's an incredible number, 75. That's a going trend with all the cities around the Essex County, Middlesex, Suffolk. It's always about 70 plus homes are under agreement, and then there's less homes available for sale. In this case, there's 75 and only 44 available for sale. More homes are selling that are coming on the market. Right. So it's a great time to sell. If you're a seller, feel free to give us a call if you want the value of your home. It's a great time for a buyer. We're looking to buy another property, 2.99 for interest rate. You can't beat it. Right.
And if you want to have us run the numbers for you, let's say if you bought now that the prices are high, but the interest rates are low, versus waiting 2, 3, 4 years when the prices come down and the interest rates go up, most likely you're probably gonna pay more money for your property if you wait. So don't wait. If you can actually buy, give us a call, or give us a call if you're thinking about it, and we'll guide you through the process.
Did you hear what Valentina said? Buy now.
Yeah. He said, buy now. Or sell now.
Okay, cool. And that wraps it up. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We'd love the support. Don't forget to follow us on YouTube. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the like button. Thanks for the support.
Thank you.
You guys enjoy the weekend.
Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.